Well, hey family, this is Darlene stopping by real quick. Have a little chat. I am working on boho earrings for my fair marketplace, and my goal is to get at least 50 pairs of these made, and I'm gonna do them in it'll be 4 units to a case, and they'll be real different designs for each case. So four units to a case, and I'm trying to get these done before the weekend, hopefully before Saturday, at least 50 pair. And if that works out, like I think it's going to work out, I might do another 50 pair and then just put those on there. And then I have some other beads, the wood beads that I'm going to be painting over the weekend. And I'm probably going to be creating some one strand necklaces with those. Something like these beads right here. I kind of dig these. And then maybe even how I put the word love and peace on these beads right here. I've been working on some other projects that have to do with my Amazon store with the journals. So I've been creating more journals and working with my Amazon store. That's why I haven't been on YouTube like doing videos or anything. And there's a couple of pieces of jewelry that I created, but I didn't do those on camera because some of the pieces that I make, I just don't put on video. I want those to be what those are and not videoed, almost like just a different design, not sharing that design. So some things that I make, I don't videotape, and I think I put enough designs on here for people to get an idea, to just kind of provoke thought for designing. And I hope everybody is doing well, creating and, just living life and being who God created you to be while on this time side of life. But anyway, just wanted to stop by for a minute and share these. And I'm going to get back to work. So we'll talk soon.